Hi everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we will be discussing about how to get points fast in Saber Showdown. So it is going to be pretty simple. Now before we dive in, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and also make sure to watch till the end of this video. So what you need to do is, here as you can see, you're going to be needing to get these points in order to of course get your points fast. So we have body hit. A body hit is player will gain 1 point, so make sure to do that. So not randomly just jumping around trying to get some fast point. Instead you are going to be aiming for the body to get those points. If you get your environment killed, if a person falls and dies, the person will their fighting last gets 1 point. Also a back hit will award the player with 5 points, so this is something really valuable. If you do a stamina kill happens when a player's opponent runs out of stamina, in which they lose the ability. Basically, once they do a stamina kill, you will be awarded 10 points. So these are some of the clever methods that you can try out and get some amazing points to yourself. You also have your revenge kills and bounty kills and bounty rewards basically. So basically, once they do that, you will eventually be able to rank up faster in the points. And yeah, so I hope this was helpful. If it was, you can consider subscribing to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.